Hello Bloomies, today on Blum Acad we are going to talk about crypto exchange. What they are, how they were used, and how you can choose perfect one for use. Let's get started. Picture it like a big digital marketplace where you can trade your bitcoins or whatever digital coin you fancy. You can swap it for other cryptocurrencies or even traditional money like dollars or euros. These platforms connect people who want to trade, acting as a middleman. Not all exchanges are the same. Let me give you lowdown. Centralized exchange are your traditional middleman. Platform super easy to use, but yeah, you are putting trust in them to handle your trades. Want more control? Decentralized exchange let you trade directly with others, no middleman, using blockchain tech, and you hold on to your funds until the trade is done. If you want to the best of both worlds, check out hybrid exchanges. They mix the security of decentralized exchanges with the liquidity of centralized ones. Brokerage platforms are perfect for beginners. These platforms make things super simple. They set price for you and handle the transaction directly. Peer-to-peer platforms are great for those who want a bit more privacy and flexibility in payment options. There are few key things to look out for. Security. Make sure the platform has two-factor authentication, cold storage, and solid encryption to keep your stuff safe. Liquidity. The more liquidity, the faster your trades go through and usually at better prices. User interface. A clean, easy to use interface make everything smoother, especially if you are new into cryptocurrency selection. Make sure the exchange offers the coin you actually want to trade, and if all this feels a bit overwhelming, no worry, just start with a well-known and trusted platform like Binance. To wrap it up, crypto exchanges are the heart of crypto world, but choosing the right one, that's where you come in. Do your own research, buy your own option, and find what fits your need. Best if you want to keep up with all the crypto news. Don't forget to hit that like button and smash subscribe.